Mountain Rose. Thank you for all of the wonderful things that you do. I'm here in Arizona. It's very hot, very dry. We face a lot of challenges when it comes to sustainable agriculture, growing local food, local medicine. It's my life goal to spread herbal cultivation methods, protect our native plant species, and teach others how to grow successfully in this extreme climate. I am an herbalist with a degree in sustainable food systems, and I formed my company, Descendant Botanicals, to bring these two passions together. In addition to offering herbal consultations, I grow medicinal plant seedlings and share tips and techniques on how to grow and enjoy these magnificent plants that have so much to give. In my experience, growing your own medicine brings a sense of honor and respect for nature that is sometimes hard to find, especially in urban environments. As the herbal industry grows, it is so important that consumers realize where their medicine comes from and how to support sustainable plant sources. I believe it is our duty as herbalists to protect the plants and ecosystems that may be threatened or exploited. By growing our own herbs, we can reduce the dependence on unsustainable harvesting practices of threatened medicinal plants, as well as herbs grown overseas or at long distances. Although not all at-risk herbs can yet be cultivated, I hope to spread the awareness of the need for their preservation and protection. I want to remind people that we must have respect for these plants and for the earth. We cannot just take without giving back. With this grant, I would be able to expand my medicinal seedling operation and research more solutions to the difficulties of growing in a desert climate. It would also give me the ability to begin teaching classes on a variety of topics related to growing and enjoying medicinal plants, sustainable gardening practices, basic medicine making, herb safety, the incredible plants of our desert, and the importance of protecting native species. I live in a very unique landscape with plant populations like nowhere else in the world, and I'm lucky enough to work in an apothecary at an authentic ghost town at the base of the Superstition Mountains, which is the perfect setting for a desert plant walk. Here I can speak with visitors from all over the world about the importance of native plants and the significance of traditional uses. I will be donating $1 from each ticket toward United Plant Savers and encourage everyone I meet to become involved in whatever way they can. I know I can have a greater impact on my community, other herbalists, farmers, and generations to come with the support of this grant opportunity for Mountain Rose Herbs. Thank you for your time and consideration.